Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can turn off the new request for permission or permission request feature on Zen Browser in 2026. So let us dive into this, guys. So let's assume, for instance, here on the Zen Browser, you visit a new website and the website keeps asking you for permission to, I don't know, use your microphone or something like that, and you would like to turn this off in general, these permissions. So this is how you can do it, guys. In the Zen Browser, click into these three dots in the top left and navigate to settings. Here in your browser settings, navigate to privacy and security, scroll down till you get to the permission section. And here you can do this, for example, for each of these aforementioned categories. Like, for example, I don't know, camera or your aforementioned microphone. Now, instead of entering the website URL here and creating new entries for each website as exception, for instance, you can block new requests entirely in general to access your microphone for basically any website you visit for the first time in the Zen Browser. There's a description below that will prevent any website and so on and so forth. That is not on that list of exceptions. So basically any website you visit for the first time here on Zen Browser will be prevented from sending you these permission requests. Don't forget to click into Save Changes here to apply these changes, and you can do that for any other feature here: location, camera, notifications, autoplay, speaker, and so on and so forth. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.